Is your dryer no longer drying? This may be your issue. In this video, I'll show you how to replace the coils in the Samsung heating unit. If you need help getting this unit out, you can watch my other video here, which goes through the process of taking the dryer apart and getting this unit out. Thanks. To start with, you'll need to remove these 7 screws and these 2 screws. Now that all the screws are out, you should be able to pull the 2 halves apart. This is your heating coil. This is more than likely what's gone bad. It's got a break in it. So what you'll do when you get here, take this old coil out. Make sure you pay attention here, because you can break this real easy, and replace it with your new coil. You can tell you've got it in right because it lines up. Right. Once you get the new coil in, take this plate, put it back on. You may have trouble lining up the holes here with the new coil. So what you can do is take one of the screws, line the coil up, and stick it through the bottom like that. And take one of your other screws and screw it. And pop that screw back out. And just continue that process around the whole outside until you've got all your screws back in. If you found my video useful, please remember to click the like button and subscribe to my channel. Thanks.